Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Y'all know I'm down here making it do what it do. I gotta get my baskets together for some events, and I'm gonna be trying to get into some of the gas stations here and see what's going on. Anyway, I did do a basket here that I wanted to share this one with you. And this is a Valentine's spa basket. And it turned out actually very nice. I'm gonna put it in the shrink wrap here in just a little bit, but I'm going to bring it down and just show you the basket real quick and tell you what I put in there and how much it costs to make this basket. All right, so let me bring you down if I can. I broke my tripod, so it's a sad day for me. It might be a little bit better if I just hold this camera. So let's do that. Let's get you out of there. Bring you back up here. Okay. All right, so this is my spa basket. All right, and then I'll go over first, tell you what I put in the basket. So that's what the basket looks like from the front and the side there. All right, so the first thing I did was I took a glitter construction paper and cut it down so that I could put it around the inside there. So that all you see is that white glitter there, which actually turned out very pretty. I do like that. All right, I have a sponge with the loofah in there. All right, we have the pumice heart. All right, and then I put the Spa Everlasting body wash and the body mist, as well as a Dove cream. And then I have 2 bath bombs in here that say XO. And then, of course, a box of chocolates, and there's some candy down in there, just to dress it up a little bit. And I like the way that this basket looks. It's actually turned out very nice. So I'm going to wrap this up with the shrink wrap. Alright, so I do like the way this basket looks. I'm going to wrap this up with the shrink wrap, like I said. And let's see, how much did it cost? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Count it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $9 in this basket. We'll say 50 cents for the candy and the shred. I did already count the basket. So about $9.50 for this basket. All right. I may rearrange some things around. Let's see. Okay, so I do like it like that. I just squared that sponge down just a little bit. But this is a spa day basket. And the theme of this basket, of course, is XO and hearts. And this will make a beautiful Valentine's Day gift. So I will take some pictures after I get it in the bag. Now you can put this in a bigger bucket if you want to, but I'm making several of these. So I am using the small buckets for these because I am making several of them. Cost was $9. I will be selling these for $30. Maybe 35, but I don't know. Right now I'm kind of comfortable with 30. So tell me what you think, your thoughts, and and tips and tricks, and that would be great. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, tune into my channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the tube. You all have a lovely day. Bye-bye.